So here I'm cooking a rice with chicken. I have vegetables, carrots, bell pepper, onion, garlic, seasoned with salt, pepper, and here I got rice. So I'm gonna finish cook vegetables with chicken. I'm gonna put some tomato sauce and we're gonna put together and we're gonna have a dinner. This is almost done.